Hi guys, English shorten TNGT passage August 2012 100 words per minute. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me very great pleasure to be here at this function this evening for the presentation of the National Tourism Awards, which have been conferred for achievements in various areas of the tourism sector. On this occasion, I would like to congratulate the award winners, and I am sure that all of you will continue with your efforts to make this industry more attractive. I am very glad that the Ministry of Tourism has also been introducing additional awards every year in order to promote tourism as much as possible. Now, as you all know, over the years, the volume of tourism has increased to a great extent in all parts of the country. There are some countries where the number of foreign tourists is higher than the local population. There are other countries where they are largely dependent on tourism for the purpose of revenue. As a matter of fact, tourism plays a great role in the economic development of a country. I would like to say that the great advantage of the tourism sector is that it is able to create employment opportunities for all kinds of people in various sectors of work. I am sure you will agree that tourism industry creates more and more employment opportunities with less investment. At the same time, I am very glad to say that in recent years, Indian tourism has seen the introduction of many new areas. I hope you will agree that there is a growing interest all over the world, not only in Indian medicine but also in visiting spiritual place. I am sure that this development will help the growth of the tourism sector in India in many ways. Now, it is a matter of great pride and joy that the World Tourism Council has made an attractive tourist spot. In this connection, I would like to express my sincere hope that we will continue to be so in the coming years. Also, in the present circumstances, it is essential that the tourist places are well connected by rail, road, and air. At the same time, it is also essential that there should be accommodation facilities for the tourist at reasonable rates. At this stage, I would like to stress that the hotel industry must look at the needs and requirements of different types of tourists and see that they provide quality services. As you all know, tourism plays a very important role in promoting understanding between people of different countries and their cultures. In the present context, tourism acts as one of the windows of the country to the outside world. So, it is very necessary that our efforts may be not only to give tourists an idea of what the country is but also what it is capable of. I once again congratulate all those who have won the awards and also urge the industry to look at the growth and development of this sector in the best manner possible. Letter from Messrs. Raman and Brothers, Chennai, to Mrs. Siva and Company, Madurai. Dear Sirs, we hope that you will be able to remember that 3 months ago you made an enquiry about supply of electrical appliances and we were not able to let you have a favorable reply. We are now very glad to inform you that we have just received fresh stock and in fact in recent respects we are in a better position to offer improved designs which will be of useful service to our clients. We invite you to attend the demonstrations which we intend to give on Mount Road, where the designs of cooking and other applicants will be exhibited between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Our purpose will be to attract tenders who will be offered special terms to give a trial to these new specialties which are fully explained and illustrated in the attached leaflet. We know that Thiru Rajan is ready to make experiments and we hope we will have the pleasure of seeing him on the opening morning, as we trust that he will desire to be among the first to secure delivery of these interesting specialties. Yours faithfully, Stop.